Good morning, Vandals. I am so excited for today because it's graduation day! All right, the hair is done. I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'll be back to have you guys help me pick out my outfit. Okay, the makeup is done. Well, pretty much anyway. And I'm trying to figure out my outfit. So this is outfit number 1. Okay, and this is outfit number 2. It's just a full bodysuit. Top of this one. It's also like business professional. I am graduating. Okay, I think we are just about ready. I've basically just been putting on final touches, hyping myself up, just getting ready for this really big day. And it's about 12 right now, I think, so we'll be heading there soon. All right, we are on our way. My bestie's taking me. She's dropping me off. We've got some pump up music. So we're here, we're graduating. How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling good. I'm in anticipation, a little nervous, but mostly excited.
Sweet. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great, ready to go.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom!
What's a piece of advice you would give to your freshman self?
Ooh, that's a good question. I would say to just keep focusing on yourself and your goals and not like let anything discourage you and like what's getting in the way of your progress.
Congratulations! What's a piece of advice you would give your freshman self?
Manage stress better. Manage your stress a little bit better, healthier.
Okay.
Procrastinating will always work and you will always get it done. Keep doing what you're doing.
Very good.
Process. Yeah.
Enjoy the process. Yeah. Do you have a piece of advice you'd give to your freshman self?
Definitely make up your mind, but also don't be afraid if you don't know.
Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Idaho, mighty
The College of Art and Architecture teaches the integrated concept of
Got the diploma. I got a diploma.